Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to take different types of screenshots in Windows computer. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So, first step I will show you, you need to press the print button in your computer keyboard. So click on the print screen. If you're using a laptop, then there will be one button named as FN. So you tap on it and click on the print screen. But if you're using a desktop computer or the Windows computer PCs, then you can press directly the print screen on your computer keyboard. So once you have pressed that button, what you need to do is you need to open any application, say like a Paint, and you need to press Ctrl plus P to paste it, as you can see here in the video. And after that, you can go and save the file depending upon your needs. So this is the first step and very common step that you can follow to take screenshots in your Windows computer. So the second step I will be going to show you is by pressing the Alt and the print screen button on your keyboard. So you press Alt and print screen on your computer keyboard. So it will be copied to your clipboard. But you might be thinking that in Windows computer there is no clipboard and I can't see any clipboard here. So to open your clipboard in Windows computer, you need to press Win key button plus V letter button. So you can see here the clipboard is being displayed, but here it's showing can't show history. So before enabling to show history, you need to turn it on. Just tap on the turn on, just click on it, so it's turned on. But the screenshot which you taken earlier is not being copied to the clipboard because it's not being turned on. So we'll try it again by pressing the earlier button, press Alt and print screen together. Now we'll check out in the clipboard whether it's being copied to the clipboard or not. Now press Win plus P. Now you can see your screenshot has been copied to the clipboard. So this is the second process by which you can take a screenshot of the entire screen of your computer. The third process I'm gonna show you is, suppose these two earlier process you have seen that you can take only the full screen screenshots, but what about if you want to take something like, suppose say you want to take just a screenshot of this VLC player or something, just some areas of your computer screen. So in this process you can do this. So what you need to do is you need to press Win, Shift and S. You need to press Win, Shift and S, and now you move your cursor, left click and hold, and just select the respective areas which you want to screenshot. So just once you have done, just leave it, it will take the screenshots. So there is one more process, very easy. If you find this button combinations very complicated, then you can do the same thing. There is one application that is inbuilt in your Windows 10 computers, you can just search for the name as snip. You can see here snip and sketch. This is exactly the same which you have launched while you are pressing the Win plus Shift plus S. So you can see here new, just tap on it and you can select, say, directly VLC. So it will be directly select, and later you can just go and you can save it by pressing the save button. So this is the third process by which you can take screenshots in your Windows computer. And the last but not the least to take screenshots in your computer is the very popular inbuilt software that is being included in the Windows computers. So it's the name as you need to go to the search again. You need to search for one application which is the inbuilt application named as snipping tool. So you can see here snipping tool, just click and launch it. So you can see here it's a very advanced snipping tool, much better than the earlier three snipping tools you have seen before. So what you need to do, you need to click on new and you can select any area depending upon your needs, any particular area or the full screen. So depending upon needs you can take the screenshots. Just select the area, release your mouse, and there it goes. And once you have done, then you can directly click on saved, or you can do like annotations like marking with the pen, just like that, or writing everything, and you can edit further a lot using the snipping tools. So in my opinion, in this way you can take various different types of screenshots in your computer itself without needing to use any third-party softwares. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this process and check out in your Windows computer itself. And if you find this video information useful, please do share with your friends and relatives. I'm sure they will gonna like it a lot. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.